I'm an adventure sports instructor, and I've been doing these adventure activities for the last 25 years in Karnataka. And as an NCC cadet from my college days, I was introduced into the trekking, rock climbing, mountaineering through the NCC, and also as an air wing cadet, I got introduced into the gliding and parasailing and powered hang gliding and microlight flying. And since almost 25 years after my graduation and after I got married, I continue to conduct these adventure activities through the youth clubs which I formed myself. Ours was the first youth club in Mysore, which we started in the interest of promoting adventure activities. So I have been conducting this trekking, rock climbing, mountaineering and parasailing. I have been the first women parasailing instructor in the country, because in NCC those days ours was the first batch who learned parasailing through NCC. Then we got trained as an instructors, and that was the only cadre conducted for a parasailing instructors course by NCC, first and last course conducted by NCC. So we have been continuing the sports by conducting in Karnataka, and since 10 years I have been the director for National Adventure Foundation, which is approved by recognized by Ministry of Youth Affairs, which has got headquarters in Delhi, and each state we have a chapter directors. So now I am at present I am heading Karnataka 2 chapter based in Mysore. So we have been conducting lots of programs for schools and college students and above 8 years children and the families and the companies, IT companies and employees from the factory. Like we are conducting the outbound training for them, because all employees and even company employees, so they will be working inside the company closed doors. So when they go out with the co-workers, they may enjoy the nature, and also they are learning something through the adventure team building, adventure outbound training. So nowadays the OBL or outbound learning or outbound training corporate program is picking up in a very fast way from Bangalore. So we are getting good response from the youths and good exposure to the, they are getting good exposure to the adventure.